In the very first session we have created test1 file, test1 project, and in the test1 project we had pom.xml, source test java folder, and in that we have to create some, in that we are going to write some kind of test cases. And we have also communicated that there is a pom.xml, and we are going to learn in this tutorial actually how to add the testng in our project. There are in our eclipse and in our eclipse how to add the testng. So for that we have here help option is there in the eclipse. When we click on the eclipse marketplace, after clicking on the help we have to go to the eclipse marketplace, and in the eclipse marketplace we can see here option, search option. In the search option we will search for the testng, testng, and when we click on it, when we write here and when we click on search, at that time it show testng for eclipse, and we have to click here install. Here installed option, in here in my system installed is shown, as I have already installed testng for eclipse in my system. So you need to write their testng, search for testng for eclipse, and install it in your system. It will take some time, but it will get installed in your system. So after that, this is one way to install a testng in your system. Then how to bring it to your own project, that is also another thing. So that also we will see in this. We have to, when we want to bring the testng to your project, at that time you can click on the build path, configure build path, and libraries. Here you can see, click on add library, and when at that time you will see here already option testng option. You can see, you need to click on it. You will click on the next and finish. In this way you have already added testng to your library. Apply and close, and after that you can write the different kind of test cases. And before that also there is a one another option. This is a way, this is one of the way to add the testng to your project, but there is another way also. When you are going with maven, that is pom.xml. In the pom.xml, when you are when 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 you are going with the pom.xml, at that time you can add your dependency. Through dependency also you can add uh, your testng. So I will do one thing, maven, I will show you that way also. Maven repository, we will go to this site. Here I will type testng. Here I can see testng version. Here I can see 7.6.1, and I will click on it. I will I will copy this part, Control C. I will go to my Eclipse. I will go to my Eclipse. I will paste it in my dependency section. Here dependency section is there. I saved it with the help of Control S. In this way also you can add testng to your project. So these are the two ways. In the next session we will learn about how to add the test cases to our system. So thanks for watching this video.